Hey, it's Dennis from The Right Stuff. We're back out in the shop tonight working on our 1977 Chevy C10 project truck. In tonight's video, we're going to take a look at Right Stuff front disc brake upgrades, rear disc brake conversion kits for your 1973 to 1988 Chevrolet and GMC square body pickup truck. Right Stuff has several options available to upgrade the factory front disc brakes on your truck. On our shop truck, we've used our BR55 ZDC zinc-coated drilled slotted front rotors, as well as our BC 4041 red powder-coated front calipers. Let's take a look at the front upgrade on our truck, and I'll show you some of the options that are available to you. The drilled slotted rotors and powder-coated calipers, they really look sharp inside the wheel. The Right Stuff square body front disc brake upgrade is an easy to install, economical, high performance front disc brake solution for your Chevy truck. Our BR55C2 is a factory style original equipment replacement. Our BR55 ZDC is a zinc coated drilled slotted high performance replacement rotor. Right Stuff BC 40 and 41 replacement front brake calipers are available in a cast factory finish, red powder coat, and black powder coat. All of our calipers come complete with caliper slide pins, brake pads, and the hardware ready for installation. The Right Stuff truck rear disc brake conversion kit includes everything you will need to convert your truck from rear drums to four-wheel disc brakes. Included in the kit are your rotors, your right and left calipers including pads, your rear caliper mounting brackets including all the hardware, rear caliper flex hoses, and rear dust shields. Right Stuff rear disc brake conversion kits are available without rear parking brake or with rear emergency parking brake and cables included. A Right Stuff rear disc brake conversion kit is one of the best modifications you can make to turn your truck from an old workhorse into a high-performance street machine. Thanks for joining us today as we worked on our Project Square Body. Be sure to follow us on Facebook as well as subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great videos that may be of service to you when it comes time to work on your hot rod. Check out our website at www.getdiscbrakes.com for our great front disc brake upgrades, rear disc conversion kits, brake lines, and proportioning valves. We appreciate you watching today. We'll see you out there.